In this task, you will learn to evaluate a rational expression at a given value. What is a rational expression? Well, a rational expression is the quotient with a Q of two polynomials. So we just talked about polynomials. Quotient means division. So if you take one polynomial and divide by another one, you get a rational expression. In other words, a fraction whose numerator, the top, and denominator, the bottom, are both polynomials. So let's check out some examples. What does a rational expression look like? Well, let's see. X squared plus 5x minus 9, that's a polynomial. So if we divide that by another polynomial, x squared minus 3x plus 1, we get a rational expression. Do we have to have x as our variable? No, of course not. We could have c plus 3 over 5c minus 2, also rational expression. Key part, dividing two polynomials. Let's see, what else? 3x to the third minus 4x over x to the fourth minus 1. Sure, why not? X plus 1 over x squared plus 10x minus 8. If you're having fun, try writing a rational expression of your own. Pretty straightforward.